Does this super annoying notification pop up every single time you try to click on a game to play? Well, no worries, bros, I got you covered. I got a simple tutorial video on how to show you guys how to completely disable that game notification so that way it doesn't pop up anymore. First things first, I have provided you guys a simple tutorial text file that you guys can go ahead and open, and then after you open it, you're going to go down here to the Windows search bar and you're going to search for Regit. I guess that's how you say it. It's a run command. Just go ahead and open it, click yes to the little notification. Then first things first, you're going to follow the text tutorial. So you're going to go down to H key local machine, then you're going to go down to system, and then current control set, and then go down to services, and then look for XBGM. It's all the way at the bottom. And once you see it, go ahead and click the folder, and then you're going to look for start. You're going to right click it and click modify and change 3 to 4. 3 equals enabled and 4 equals disabled. Click 4. Click OK, exit that, and voila, you will no longer see this stupid notification pop up anymore. And now if you want to enable it, remember, just go back to the same thing. If you want to go ahead and save the text file, save it somewhere on your computer so you don't forget, and then do the same process and then change 4 back to 3 to enable it. Hope you guys like this simple tutorial video, and until next time guys, peace out.